Welcome to Crack the Code on GST. After the 56th GST Council meeting, we were discussing about Reform 2.0 in the form of rate revision. Now, in this video, let's understand what are the IMS related changes in the form of Reform 2.0 in the GSTN portal. The first change is that the taxpayer can keep the transactions pending, that is specified transaction, for a period of one tax period. What is one tax period? If you are a monthly taxpayer, then it is a period of 1 month. If you are a QRMP taxpayer, then it is for a quarter. You can keep those specified transactions under the status of pending. If I have to put it in simple terms, in the old IMS pattern and new IMS pattern, there is absolutely no change in the regular invoice pattern. That means there are certain specified transactions in the old IMS which were not permitted to be pending for any action, whereas in the newly introduced GSTN Advisory says that the specified transactions can be kept pending for a period of 1 month. Now we need to look at what are the specified records as mentioned in the IMS. Number 1 is the credit note. And it can be an upward or downward amendment of the credit note. Third is the debit note, for which the GSTR 3B has already been filed. Fourth most important is the e-commerce related amendment documents. So with respect to the new IMS, one more additional condition of declaration is that whenever there are certain specified transactions, say for example there is a credit note on which you have not availed the ITC at all in the original invoice itself. If that being the case, the taxpayer is required to mention that there is no need of reversal. And assuming there is a credit note on which you have partially taken the input tax credit, which requires reversal, that also to be declared. So declaration of the specified transactions on which ITC is availed or not availed is a new important change in the new IMS. Another interesting change what I feel is that whenever there is a rejection happens from the buyer side, the supplier will get to know the reason for rejection. It can be, say for example, wrong invoice number or wrong GST number. There could be many reasons. The supplier's dashboard will pop up saying that this invoice has been rejected for so and so reason. So this is going to avoid a lot of back and forth communication from the buyer and the seller. Stay tuned for more updates on GST. Bye from CS Jata.